Once upon a code, in the magical world of programming, I found myself trapped in a seemingly endless cycle of repetitious tasks. Copy this, paste that, adjust this, test that. It was beginning to feel a lot like Groundhog Day. If you're anything like me, you became a programmer because you enjoy solving problems, not repeating them. So what to do? Here comes Python, the hero of our story, and my trusty sidekick in the pursuit of automation. Why do I automate my life with Python? Let me answer your question with a question. If you had a robot butler, would you waste its time having it recite Shakespeare? Or would you have it clean your room, cook, and manage your appointments? Python is our metaphorical robot butler, except it doesn't ask for a raise or accidentally shrinks your favorite sweater in the laundry. Learning to speak Parseltongue, or Python for Muggles. It's not necessary to visit Hogwarts to converse with Python, as it's one of the most human-friendly languages out there. Its readability is a major reason why beginners and experienced programmers alike find it approachable. For an automation fan like me, it's like a delightful chat with a very obedient friend. A word of caution though, Python does not respond to Accio Coffee. Believe me, I've tried. When Python became my personal assistant. To begin your journey with Python, you need to identify some repetitive tasks in your life. Let's see, scrubbing through data, sending routine emails, renaming hundreds of files in a directory. Well, Python can handle them all. It's time to introduce Python to these mundane tasks and watch as it devours them faster than a packet of Birdie Bot's every flavor beans. Python in action, automating everyday tasks. Now that you've decided to make Python your personal assistant, let's start with a simple example of automating a daily task, email notifications. Imagine you're a project manager who needs to send daily progress emails to your team. Instead of manually typing the updates, you can create a Python script that fetches data from your project management tool, structures it into an email, and sends it to your team. I bet galleons to nuts you'd be the coolest project manager in the room. The actual implementation may require dealing with API keys, secure passwords, and error handling, but it gives you a taste of Python's power. Python and I, a love story written in code. Ever since Python and I started our journey together, my life has never been the same. No more slogging through repetitive tasks, no more manual data entry. It's like having a spell that does your chores while you kick back and sip some butterbeer. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use Python wisely. Conclusion: Python for a better tomorrow. So why do it yourself when Python can do it for you? The answer is clear. Next time you find yourself knee-deep in mundane tasks, just remember you have a silicon serpent ready to come to your rescue. Python might not fetch you coffee, but it can automate the heck out of your workday. Use the comments section below to tell us your thoughts about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.